Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So Greg is out right now and that pretty much never happens. Like we usually go and do anything we need to do outside of the house together. And yeah, we both work from home, so like we're usually just together all the time. And I thought that I would just test a recipe thing that I've been wanting to try since I saw something similar to it on TikTok. And I wanted to make some sort of like chocolate stuffed cookie instead of having like chocolate chips all throughout. I wanted to do like a chocolate stuffed one, and I think I'm gonna try and make it something that I can slice. So yeah, that's the plan. Guys, I finished Throne of Glass, the whole series. I gave myself about 12 hours to, you know, reset and get over it, and I really just needed to not give myself any time to dwell on it, because if you pause and think about it for like 30 seconds, then you probably won't be able to do anything for the rest of your day. So I just went to bed, I woke up, I started Crescent City. So I'm reading Crescent City right now, and I really like it. It's like a lot of info dumping and like a lot of confusing fantasy stuff that I know will be like explained later, but right now it's just like she's throwing a lot of information at you, but I'm just kind of like checking through. So far I love the characters. I love Sarah J, so I'm liking it so far. Let's make some cookies. Okay, so the base of this cookie, I was gonna do shortbread, but my shortbread recipe is like, it's very crumbly, and I don't think it would, yeah, I don't think it would work as well as I am picturing for this. So I'm gonna just do the base of my regular chocolate chip cookie recipe. A half cup of softened vegan butter. I accidentally did a full cup when I went and softened it, so I don't really know why I did that. It's only half a cup, and then 1 full cup of brown sugar. Whoa. And I'm just like awkwardly gonna film for TikTok while I do this. Guys, I'm having so much fun on TikTok. Greg and I are just making like the stupidest, silliest TikToks ever. They're so dumb. This is not on. But I made this one at Sunday Coffee last week, or like right before when Greg was vacuuming, and I was standing there drinking my smoothie, and I was like, oh, this would be so funny if someone saw us right now, because I'm literally standing here drinking my smoothie while Greg's like furiously cleaning around me. But I was waiting because it was almost time for me to keep making the cinnamon buns. So I wasn't actually doing nothing, but I was like, this is so funny. So I just put on a time lapse and got him like zooming around vacuuming. And then I made a TikTok that was like sitting here enjoying my enjoy my smoothie while my husband vacuums, because that job is for boys only. And I copied Aspen's TikTok when she was like putting a pile of garbage out for my husband to take outside, because that job is for boys only. And I love that trend, so I did that with vacuuming, and it literally blew up. I got like 150,000 views on it, and I was like, Craig, you literally went viral, like a video of you vacuuming. It's so sad. But anyway, you know, it's insane. Greg and I pretty much go through one of these cartons in 2 days. Like between multiple coffees a day, we drink lattes, so we drink like a cup of milk per latte each, plus sometimes a smoothie, like for cooking or recipes, and then Greg has cereal a lot. We literally go through one of these every few days. Like it's honestly a problem. 1/4 cup milk. If you guys don't have this recipe memorized by now, what are you doing? What are you doing? Some vanilla. Measure vanilla with your heart. And I'm just gonna go measure out the flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Okay, I literally just forgot to film, but it's 1.5 cups of flour plus a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda. If you find your cookies are like rising too much, then you can decrease those to a 1/2 teaspoon each. Sometimes I do that if I want like flatter cookies versus puffier ones. That's the dough. You don't want to overmix it because it can become gummy. So just mix it until just until the flour is incorporated. And normally if I'm making cookies, I will add the chocolate chips like just before the flour is all incorporated, so that I don't like mix it fully and then have to mix it again to put in the chocolate chips. I'm gonna bake it at 375 instead of 350 because I want to cook it faster, because there's gonna be like melty chocolate inside. I'm gonna take a piece of parchment. Okay, so the plan is I'm going to get like a nice flat layer of cookie, and then I'm gonna put chocolate, and then I'm gonna fold it over like that. So these are like dairy-free chocolate chunks that I got from Bulk Barn. I'm just gonna like put them on. Honestly, this recipe feels like something I should be doing at Christmas, not like late February, but here we are. It's really hard to do one-handed dipping. I'm using Greg's giant knife. I literally have no idea why I decided to do this today. Got most of it off. I'm just gonna clean up the edges. Did get some patchwork here. Now I have extra cookie dough that I can put in the freezer for snacking. It's pretty done to me. This looks raw on camera, but it's like, you know, this is how I like my cookies to look. So I think she's just gonna be done for right now. I'm gonna go for a walk, I'm gonna let it chill, and then I will show you when it's done. Here, I'm sorry it's dark. The chocolate is not, I was hoping it would be like an exact line through it, but I mean, this does look still pretty cool. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so I have to show you guys this smoothie recipe. I made it for the first time yesterday and it was just so good, like so refreshing and energizing. So I'm gonna show you what I did. So I did a cup of orange juice, doing like a tablespoon of chia seeds. These are ones that are already ground up, which I like. We're gonna do a frozen banana, and if you don't have frozen, you can use fresh and just use more ice. I'm just gonna do 1 ice cube, a piece of ginger, fresh ginger. It does make it spicy, so, you know, do as much as you want. Some raspberries, I do like a 1/4 cup maybe. Maybe like 1/3 of a cup. And vanilla protein. Thursday, and as you can see, Greg and I are both hard at work getting ready for filming. But now that we do TikTok, we have to do kind of like different content on Instagram versus TikTok so that people like have a reason to follow you on both. Obviously, you don't want to just do the exact same thing, and TikTok is kind of a very different vibe from Instagram. So we've been having so much fun doing content for TikTok, but today we're doing TikTok and Instagram together, and the vlog. So I am filming for Instagram corn fritters. It's a freezing cold day and I want something like super cozy and yummy for lunch, and I realized that I have this amazing corn fritter recipe on my blog, but I don't have a video for it. That's what they look like. And I originally made it in the summer when we had fresh corn, but I have frozen corn that I wanted to use up, and frozen corn works just as well. So that's what I'm filming for Instagram today. And then Greg is going to level them up somehow, we shall see, for his Instagram. But right now he's making the best air fryer potatoes for TikTok. And I am also doing kind of like a meal prep hack for brown rice in the Instant Pot on TikTok. So we've got lots of stuff cooking. I have to go finish filming that soon. I have like 2 minutes left for that cooking. And yeah, then we're gonna film corn fritters. Do you wanna tell them how you're leveling them up, or keep it a surprise?
I'm still not sure yet how I'm leveling them up. Probably use the air fryer potatoes.
Making them beefier.
Make them beefier, beef them up a bit. What did you want to call them again?
A fritter fry up.
Yeah,
I was like,
fry
you could
up.
break them up and fry them up with some stuff.
That's what sold me on it anyway. So I have no idea what I'm going to do for it, but
I think a fry up is a British thing. Yeah. It looks so nice and sunny, but it's -5. Liz, like, I'll show you. Okay, she's like laying in the sun. But what you don't know is that this towel that looks wet is actually frozen solid to the deck. So yeah, I really can't get her to come inside. Okay, so this is me filming for TikTok. Got the phone there, Instant Pot there. And then we actually do our Instagram filming over here, where the lighting is super nice and we've got like a big spot on the counter to film because we need a lot more room for Instagram filming. So yeah, so I'm gonna go finish this TikTok. Also,
You made a mess.
I also cut my bangs myself yesterday. I don't think Greg noticed, but
I did. Well, you asked me.
I did? No, I cut them again.
Oh, again?
Yeah. Anyway, so I cut them shorter now so they don't like fall in my eyes so much, because someone commented on my video and they were like, I think your bangs annoy you because you're always touching them. And I was like, you're absolutely right. They do annoy me. And they were so heavy, they were always just like falling in my eyes, but now they're like light, so I can just sweep them back and they stay. Tonight we are going out for dinner with my parents because they are getting their like kitchen cabinets repainted and they can't use their kitchen, so they're going to a place called Moxie's. I'm sure if you guys live in like Canada, I don't know if it's actually just a Canadian chain, but if you live in Canada, you know what Moxie's is. It's like just like a slightly higher end like family restaurant. But they have a plant-based menu there now. So they have like tacos, Beyond Burger, like lettuce wraps, but they're actually really good. They sound boring, but they're actually really good. I'm gonna go there, so I'll probably bring the camera to show you what we get there. So we're at Real Fake Meats. Nope, there you go. The kitchen, and then this is, we're behind the desk right now, and then that's the refrigerated section. Plus here, gooey matzo parm. That's what you called it.
Okay, it has to be good, like the two
Cookies. So we're gonna pack some orders. We're gonna make, I'll show you the chicken parm burger that we make.
You put it over here.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You're kind of out of focus.
Alright. Okay, here I go.
Dig it.
Hey, I'm not there. Do you need to dip it in more tomatoes?
No.
No.
No. Okay, so we just left Real Fake Meats because it's getting real snowy.
Yeah.
And we gotta go home to stay safe, but it was great. We got lots of content and we got lots of sticks.
Priorities.
Priorities. What is this? What sauce is this?
It's ranch. I told her to get us ranch sauce. That is a good matzo stick.
Mmm.
And hot apple cider.
Mmm. This ranch is unreal.
We're just not eating the rest of those.
Give it for
Yeah.
later.
Good idea, babe.
They already saw us eat a chicken parm sandwich. Don't drag on this. That's an apple cider.
So good.
So good.
It's like the best winter beverage.
Yeah, guys, like, we parked when the snow was just starting. Hello. And now the car ahead of us is, like, covered. Had to, like, kind of dig ourselves out here to open the door, but anyway, we're gonna go home. And, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll end the vlog here. No, I'll do Sunday. Should I do Sunday coffee in the vlog? We'll see.
It's the start of a new week. So.
I know, maybe not. Okay. Well, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for hanging out with us this week. Hope you enjoyed. I don't think I have any other updates, so that's everything. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Enjoy.
Bye.